Hi everyone, in this video we are going to solve the second sum in exercise 11.2. The second sum, construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeters from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeters and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. That means we have to draw two concentric circles. That is, one is of circle of radius 4 centimeters, another is a circle of radius 6 centimeters. First we will draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. For that we will take a scale. In that one we will take the 4 centimeters measurement will take. Four centimeters measurement I will take. In that one, here I am going to construct a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Yes. Then, using the same center, I have to take 6 centimeters radius and construct a circle. So 6 centimeters radius I am taking. Six centimeters radius. Yeah. Now, using the same center, 6 centimeters radius, I constructed another circle. Now we have to construct two tangents from a point which is lying on the outer circle. That means some other point I am considering. Name this point as O. Name this point, the center I am taking it as, name this point as O. And here I am going to name this point as O. On the outer circle, I have to take one more point. Name that point somewhere if I am taking, name this point as B. Somewhere here I am taking this point as B. From this point B, I have to construct two tangents to the inner circle of radius 4 centimeters. So for that what we are going to do, I am going to join these two points, this O and B. Then I will draw the perpendicular bisector of OB, taking more than half of the radius of OB. We have to draw an arcs up and down. I will change the color. I will draw the arcs. Little bit. I will draw the arcs. Now from the point B also I will draw the arcs which intersects the previous arcs at a particular point. Which intersects the previous arcs at a particular point. Now join these two points. We will get the midpoint of OB. Name that midpoint of OB as a C. Name the midpoint of OB as a C. Now taking C as the center and taking C as the center and OC as the radius, draw another circle which touches the previous circle, which touches the previous circle at a particular point. Identify the points. This green color circle touches this innermost circle at two different points. Name these points here. See this point and this point here. This is the point. This is the point. Name these points as this one as P and this one as Q. Now join these 2 points with scale. Now presently I am joining with the line segment. Then afterwards we can extend it with the scale. This one different color I will take so that it will be, we were able to see there properly. So I will change this color. Yeah, this is the one, and another one, this is the one. Can extend way also. Yeah. Now BP and BQ are the required tangents. BP and BQ are the required tangents. We can measure the length of the tangents using the scale, and here in our question they are asking us verify the measurement by actual calculation, they said. Now here from the point B, if you are joining O and P with the dotted line, or this one, if I am joining O and P, here we are able to see different type of, if I am joining O and P there. Now here you observe, we are able to see it. We are able to see a triangle. Here in this one, we know that BP makes an angle of, BP is a tangent, OP is the radius. Tangent makes an angle of 90 degrees with the radius. OP is perpendicular to BP. So triangle OPB is a right triangle. Triangle OPB is right triangle. In right triangle, we can apply Pythagorean theorem, that is OB square equal to OP square plus BP square. OB is the radius of outer circle, that is 6 square, equal to OP is the radius of inner circle, that is 4 square plus BP square. That is 36 minus 16 equal to BP square. That is here BP equal to square root of 20. This is nothing but 2 root 5 we can write. You measure this one, you will get the value also around 4.47, around 5 value. The same value you will get it from there itself. Yes, thank you very much. Then we will meet in the next video for the next question. Okay, thank you.